Hello, welcome to our new channel. It's me, Rame, Muhammad Umar Rame. So today I came here to buy a folding phone, especially for the travel. I'm looking for the Galaxy Fold 3 that is out of stock. I say maybe I can go and get the Xiaomi Mix Fold. Let's get inside. And here we go. Although it is quite hot today, to be honest, it is really very hot. Because on Monday I came here, they said I'm on Wednesday. So finally today is Wednesday. So here are some phone shops I can show you. कुछ नहीं पता करता है कपड़े बना लो वैसे
कोडिंग हो रही है।
अब देख सकते हैं काफ़ी अच्छे फ़ोन लगे हुए हैं। नोट 10 प्लस मिल रहा है यहाँ पे 40,000 रुपये का। K20 मिल रहा है।
अयो ध्यान से मैं केयरफुल। हाँ ध्यान से। पता नहीं कौन खरीदता है।
ओप्पो फाइन एंड मिलेगा आपको 1,50,000 रुपये का। गैलेक्सी फ्लिप Z मिलेगा आपको 60,000 का।
No, maybe later. Yeah.
Around what time?
Sorry.
Around what time?
Yeah. 15 minutes maybe.
Oh, 15. So again, you know, the Chinese people love to lie on their own face. They tell me to come on Wednesday, first of all on Monday, and then Wednesday, and still they don't have the phone. I just have to say bye.